chose to run for public office because I worked as a teacher for 33 years. And after working for 33 years as a teacher, I decided that I can be an advocate that I've always been for children. I've always advocated for children.
Why don't you run for office? We need somebody who has been in the classroom that knows what's going on, that knows the parents and the students, and they see what goes on day to day.
I absolutely love our community. I was born and raised here, and I was fortunate to receive what I consider a world-class education here in Hickory County.
The community members deserve the right to be able to send their kid to public school and have the reassurance that they're safe and getting a good education at the same time.
My involvement in the schools revolved around helping the teachers in their classrooms. I like actually volunteering in the classrooms. So I saw early on the needs that our teachers had and how crucial they are to our students' success.
We need to think about the whole child. If a child comes to school hungry, the child would not be able to learn. So we have to consider the whole child in terms of educating the whole child. And I just want to make sure as a board member that when we're educating our children, we're thinking about the whole child aspect.
Good education, good public education. It makes me very sad to hear people say, well, public education is dead. How so? Why would you say that? We have some of the most dedicated people in this world in K through 12. They are amazing.
I think the one thing that really makes public education stand apart from anything else is the opportunity for equality. Each child in our community has equal access to an education, and really the sky is the limit.
I do truly think that we have the right people in place doing the right work at the right time to make an impactful, positive change to our grading, or not grading, to our scores. So I just ask, everybody to kind of stay tuned as the scores roll out, because I truly am optimistic that Hickory County is about to literally be put on the map.
To me, the budget is the most challenging part to me, because there's so much that we want to do, and we can have lists of things that we want to budget. But unfortunately, it's not always possible to incorporate everything that we would like to see in a given year into our budget. And so that's very challenging, trying to balance, what we're able to do as far as incorporating things into our budget.
Just being a part of a 5-member board that right now has a strong governance team and a theory of action, and goals that we're setting for student achievement to improve graduation rate, to improve student achievement. I consider all of that as a great experience, because now Dr. Davis is a high-level energy person, and she has everybody working together, and everybody's on one page now. So I think I'm most optimistic about this system moving forward to be a state-of-the-art system.
I work with 4 of the most awesome board members ever. They're family. And I think as long as you work with people who you believe are your family, or they treat you like family, it's not really work. Yes, we argue like brothers and sisters, but when we walk out, we're very unified.
I'm so proud of the education I received here in Hickory County, and I truly can't imagine a better one. I want my children, and I want these next generations to be able to stay the same. And I think that all comes from the vision of the board alongside our superintendent. So I want to see the direction that we've been moving continue, and just really have a strong brand on a Hickory County diploma. And I think that's something to really be proud of. So a Hickory County diploma means more than just checking off the boxes. And it's a really engaging experience that has addressed the whole child. I think that's a really important legacy to leave.
Being able to attend graduations, that's pretty cool. Just being able to experience that at the level a board member gets to experience it, being on the field or on the stage in the gym, no matter, depending on where it's at, but to actually be there for that huge moment, not only in that child's life, but you can kind of see the glow on the parents' eyes as well. So just being in that room, feeling that energy at that time, and for a board member to be able to shake each graduate's hand, it just means a lot. It's kind of humbling for us, and for me, and it reminds me, that one time a year, it reminds you why you put in all the hours throughout the rest of the year to make that moment happen.
What stands out to me the most and has been probably the most impactful to me are the times that I've been able to actually go into the schools and have conversations with the students. They're so open and honest, and I just love listening to them because it helps put things in perspective, because it just kind of brings you back to why we are doing the work that we're doing.
Hi, I'm Annette Edwards. I'm a resident of Henry County, and I've been a resident now for 19 years. I retired from Henry County Schools in 2003. I ran for the school board in 2014, and I've enjoyed every minute of it.
Welcome to Henry County School System. My name is Pam Nutt, and I am the District 1 board member. I've been on this wonderful school board for the past 22 years, and I believe this is my 23rd year. I just want to welcome you here, and I want to tell you how wonderful our school system is.
My name is Sophie Pope, and I represent District 4 here in Henry County. I'm so proud to represent this community as a mother, as a former teacher, and as a proud member of Henry County. I look forward to working with you all, and thank you for trusting me.
Hi, my name is Josh Hinton. I am District 2 Board Chair for the Henry County Board of Education.
My name is Holly.cobb, and I'm honored to represent District 3 on the Henry County School Board.